I'll be honest with you guys, I've been dreading this moment since I've been at Bellewaerde. The existence of this tower here. I'm going to ride it. I have a fear of heights. This terrifies me. But I have to get over it somehow. So it doesn't look too intense. Let's see how it is. But man. As I'm going through this queue, you guys are on my support. I'm terrified. I'm secured. Only one way to get over this fear. It's going to be horrible. So the biggest downside is that this doesn't really have like a countdown or anything. Just going to get launched. When it comes down to it, it shouldn't be too bad. Fingers crossed. Trust the system. My hand is super sweaty right now. So we're just going to get launched in a moment.
1, 2, 1,
holy shit! There's no count on this. The worst part is we're up so high. My god. My god. So now we getting to the drop section. Should get some air time. About this high. Going soon. Soon. There we go. Oh my god. You know the worst part? We're going again. So it's a double lounge. But intensity wise, this wasn't so bad. The anticipation is the worst.
No.
We're going to get this done. Let's give you guys a POV. Soon.
A few minutes later.
I know it's going.
One eternity later.
Oh my god.
Voilà, quand tu pars. Quand tu pars.
Allez, on va. I've survived the shot tower. I was really dreading this. My god. I'm glad I'm not a screamer. So if you like this, subscribe, like this video, and check out the next one.